Hey guys! While we're watching this 3D printing time-lapse video, I have a lot coming. I just want to make this little channel update, so enjoy it! Hey guys! I really apologize for my long pause. I was really busy, life came by. I had a final thesis to write about the impact of 3D printing on the way we consume stuff, by the way. I worked for our CNC manufacturer, and so on and so on. Anyways, in the meantime, I 3D printed rockets like the Saturn V and the Falcon Heavy, a human skull, and you name it, I printed. Since I last left you, I did work a little bit on both projects, the wheelchair of the future and the fully working Iron Man suit. But for now, they're on standby. At the moment, I'm addressing the founding issue and the manufacturing issue, and I have working plans. It just takes a lot of time. I'm gonna go in detail in a future video, but for now, I don't want to bore you with the little progress I made. In the meantime, I'm doing very cool projects, like, for example, I'm playing around with AI stuff in Unity, like pathfinding and such, and other cool 3D printing, electronics, and programming related stuff. But I have a question for you. Do you think I should post all this different stuff on one channel, or should I make like a 3D printing channel where I post a lot of 3D printing stuff, a programming channel, and so on? Or do you like it the way it is? And another question. Which category do you prefer? Please take the polls in the upper right corner. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure to ring that little bell. And see you on the next project.